If you struggle to focus, let me say this first. You're not broken. You're overloaded. Most people think they're lazy, or undisciplined, or just unmotivated. But that's not really the issue. The real problem is noise. Constant mental noise. Notifications. Tabs open everywhere. Messages. And a million thoughts pulling you in different directions. Your brain was never built to deal with this much input. So when focus disappears, it's not failure. It's overload. Here's what most people don't realize. Every time your attention gets interrupted, your brain pays a price. Even quick distractions, a message, a notification, a short scroll, they cost you more than you think. It can take minutes just to get your focus back. That's why you feel tired without actually doing much. Your energy isn't gone. It's leaking. Focus isn't about pushing yourself harder. It's about protecting your attention from things that don't deserve it. So the first fix is simple. Remove the noise. Put your phone on silent. Turn the screen to grayscale. Close the tabs you don't need. When the visual stimulation drops, your brain starts to calm down almost immediately. This isn't about discipline. It's about environment. Make distraction harder, and focus becomes easier without forcing it. The second fix is structure. Set a timer for 25 minutes. Pick one task. Just one. And for those 25 minutes, nothing else matters. No multitasking. No jumping between things. Just one clear objective. This works because your brain can handle focus when it knows there's an end. Short, focused effort beats long, unfocused intention every time. And the final fix is closure. Unfinished tasks quietly drain your attention. Finished tasks give it back. Complete small things fully. Close the loop. Build momentum. And if you're entering focus mode today, comment focus mode and hit like. That small action reinforces the habit you're starting. In the next video, we'll talk about a morning routine that actually works, one that builds consistency even on low energy days.